I crashed the drone. So, getting bored during a massage. This happens because of two reasons, and they're very simple. A, you don't have enough techniques in your little bag of tricks to keep you entertained. If you're bored, it really means that your partner's bored as well. And B, you haven't worked out how to stitch those techniques together to make an amazing routine. So with that, it's an easy fix, and you have two options. The first option is to copy someone else. That's why I created the masterclass. So the good thing about the masterclass is all the hard work is done. I've worked out the best techniques, I've tried and tested it on couples in live courses, like thousands of couples, and I brought together the techniques into 3 massage routines, like a 5-minute massage routine, a 15-minute massage routine, which is epic, and a 30-minute massage routine that's just gonna blow your partner away. It's incredible. So that's the easy part. The downfall is that you have to pay for it. I know, but there is a free option. I'm stabbed. Now, there's nothing wrong for finding free tutorials and, working out how to make your massage fly. Now, there's nothing wrong with finding free tutorials online. YouTube is covered with them. That's what my Fridays are all about. Now, if you want to go down the free route, let me show you how to structure your massage so it works for you. So first of all, you need to find techniques. Maybe 5 or 6 back massage techniques will work. You want to try them on your partner, see if there's something that you like. Don't just go willy-nilly going, I've got these 5 techniques, I'm going to stitch them together and see what happens. Test the techniques out. Play with them first before you stitch it together. When I say stitch it together, it's like getting each massage technique and flowing from one to another. That is a whole different story. Let's talk about that right now. Let's say you got your 5, 6 back massage techniques that you found for free online. Bringing them together is pretty easy. You just need to think of a few principles. So always start off with long flowing strokes, contouring. I have a video about that. Go watch that one. It's really important. I'll link it. Let me see if I can figure out the screen back to front. I'm gonna say it's there. Start off with contouring, long flowing strokes. They're the important ones. Get your partner into the mood, get them to relax. You want to take away that initial layer of tension, and then you start going into deep tissue techniques. So start focusing on knots. Remember, 80-20 principle. I've covered this a few times. It is super, super important. 80% relaxation, 20% deep tissue. Make sure that when you do deep tissue, you wash that pain out. Again, another video that I covered would have been last week, I think, or 2 weeks ago. Really important. And, well, it was 2 weeks ago, because last week we talked about keeping your partner warm. Don't let them get cold. That's the next thing. So there are principles on stitching something together. You want to focus on deep tissue, because that's what gives you the therapeutic effect, but you must spend most of your time doing relaxation strokes. So the techniques that you get for free on the internet need to be a combination of relaxation and deep tissue. Now already this is beginning to be a fair bit of work, right? A lot of time in planning, researching, and making sure that the massage techniques work for you guys. And this is where I go back to the whole time versus money. Why should we pay for stuff? I mean, we buy milk and bread because that's important for us to live, and coffee, of course, right? But stuff like massage is like, maybe I can find it free online. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff that you can do online, but you're not paying, like when I think about it, you're not paying for the actual massage techniques. You're paying for your time to find stuff that works. I mean, you know my stuff has worked with 30,000 other couples. I've done it in live courses for 8 years. I think that's what I'm proud, or mostly proud about, is that It spent 8 years nutting out all the kinks, getting it right in live courses, like live workshops, before I filmed it. That way I can sit there and say, I know you spend your $99 and you have that for life, and you got techniques that work. You got routines that feel amazing. There's no need to mess around, you don't have to fumble. It's all laid out, right? You don't have to research, figure out what your partner likes, what it doesn't like. And that's what it's all about, right? That's where your money goes, in saving you time so you guys can spend more time doing the fun stuff. So if you're getting bored, you don't have enough techniques in your little secret stash, you need to learn some more. And you need to learn how to stitch your techniques together. Keep up with my Friday tutorials because we keep covering all these little topics. I mean, I think actually I didn't even plan for the last 3 videos to kind of like sync in with each other, but they totally do. Like, you can build your own massage routine by focusing on the 80-20 principle, by making sure that your partner doesn't get cold, by hitting all those areas of tension, the knots, and then washing them away. That way you create a little bit of pain and then wash that pain away to make the most pleasurable afterglow. It's all there. So stick with me with the Friday night tutorials. I'm enjoying them. There is other videos outside of the Friday night tutorials, like this one, how I'm in an almond orchard that's blooming right now. I need to pull out the drone right there. I took it for the first flight ever. I don't know how to fly this thing, and it scares me. And I'm on private property, and I have no idea how I'm going to be able to get it through there, but I'm about to give it a crack right now. All right, that's me. I'm out. I'll see you in the next Friday night tutorial. Ciao. I was doing so well, and then I panicked. Oh, it's epic though. This is, have a look at this. Where and how do I find this? Oh, there's a little GPS on this thing. So seriously, I picked up this drone 2 days ago, had a little bit of a flight yesterday, like a 5-10 minute thing, and that's it. This is me now. I have no idea what I'm doing. Maybe I should. I bet you it's up high too. It looks up high. Just waiting till the camera finds me. Hopefully. Oh, I can hear it. Ha ha ha. Look. Caught in. It's not that bad. Okay. Right.